Alright guys, what's up? We're going to get into NASDAQ stocks. So the power shares QQQ, triple Q, follows NASDAQ hand in hand. So whatever NASDAQ closes at or whatever NASDAQ is opening at. So let's say NASDAQ is up 5%. This stock will be up 5%. And it's really good because this is way cheaper than the NASDAQ. You cannot buy the NASDAQ as a whole, but you can buy actual physical shares of the NASDAQ. And this is one of the ETFs for the NASDAQ. And it does produce a great return over time. But does it produce a great enough return for me? Personally, no. But we're going to get into the one that produces the better return. Okay, so it is the TQQQ, which means that this gives you 3 times leverage. So let's say the NASDAQ is up 5%. How much would you be up? You'll be up 15% on this position. So there's a lot of leverage and there's a lot of risk involved. But as you see over time, what does the NASDAQ do? Go up. If you'd invested in 2011, you bought, $4.31 per share. Now it's at $76. I'd say you'd be a pretty rich person. So this is the type of leverage that, I like to look at. I don't want to, basically come out breaking even or doing 20%. If I want to do 20%, I can do that myself, But I want to do something that I can't do myself. I can't produce 100%, I would say, on a long-term investment, but this will be something that, people can look towards as being a long-term investment. This was once at $130 something. They split it because it became too expensive. They split the stock because it became too expensive. It started to meet up with the triple Q. It started to get more expensive than the triple Q. There's a lot of money to be made here is what I'm trying to tell you. It follows the NASDAQ. It gives the NASDAQ 3 times the return. Not only when it's up, but when it's down. So if the NASDAQ is down 1%, this stock will be down 3%. If the NASDAQ is up 1%, this stock will be up 3%. So think about that when you're looking at things to invest in. Remember, you cannot be scared to throw your money in there only if you see that it's profitable for you, and long as you're going to make money out of it. We don't invest to lose money. We don't trade to lose money. We do that to make money. If you're investing to trade money, I suggest you stop watching these videos, because these videos are for people that want to make money investing or trading. So we're going to get into another NASDAQ stock yet again. Okay, so this one is NASDAQ Inc. So this is the actual NASDAQ itself. So if you're, you say, no, it's not, NASDAQ's at 5,000, that's NASDAQ Composite anyways. This is the NASDAQ company. If you want to buy a NASDAQ company, this is the NASDAQ company. And it comes with all the perks as the QQQ, but I'm not sure if it gives the return just like the QQQ. It might be off a little bit, but it doesn't follow the return of the NASDAQ that much. It might be a little slow, it might be a little stagnant, and I don't think it follows it, pace for pace. Like the other leverage stocks I showed you, it follows it pace for pace. And this one just paid out a dividend, I think sometime this week or probably today. They just declared a dividend. I might scoop up and get some. If it's too late, I'll just wait for the next time to scoop up a dividend. But yeah, these are the NASDAQ stocks that can make you some money if you want to invest over time, because the NASDAQ is going to keep going up, honestly. We're not going to have any market indexes that are just going to keep going down. The market is always growing, and investing in market indexes should be the first place that you look towards. But make sure you include some leverage, because you want to get a greater return. You don't want to do average. You don't want to break even every year. You want to make some money. You want to double your money every year. You want to, quadruple your money almost. Okay. So think about it. Think about what kind of return do you want for your money, basically, and you can already start sorting out stocks just by you answering that question. So remember, ask yourself, what kind of return do you want? Do you want a high return? Do you want a low return? Do you want a medium type return? Do you want an average type of return? So answer those questions. Once you answer those questions, you can go a lot further and start looking into different stocks that can help you achieve your goal. But other than that, I just want to show you guys 3 NASDAQ stocks. We can go into Dow components, but I just want to show you 3 NASDAQ stocks. But anyways, take care. I might trade tomorrow and show you guys my live trading. But other than that, take care.